Small but mighty, that's what we're talking about today. Most people focus on major updates when it comes to sprucing up their home, but we're not talking about kitchen remodels or new decks today. Hi, I'm Charleston Mills with the Chatman Group with Keller Williams Realty, and today I will give you 5 small and inexpensive ways to breathe new life into your home. Number 1, switch out your fixtures in your bathroom and your kitchens. Things like your cabinet door pulls, shower heads, and faucets are usually indicators of how old your house is. Switching out things that you commonly use in your home will let you feel, as well as people that come into your home, feel like the home is much newer and updated than it actually is. Number 2, consider switching out outlet covers and old light fixtures. Nothing screams old house more than mismatched old light covers and switches. Spend a few dollars on some outlet switches to give the home a new modern look upon entry. Paint everything, especially kitchen cabinets. It's a job that takes extra care and finesse, but if you're up for the challenge, painting your kitchen cabinets along with changing the light fixtures will make your kitchen look brand new. Number 4, update your lighting. Under cabinet LED lighting is an easy DIY project that will have your kitchen looking more expensive than what it is. Also consider changing larger bulky fixtures with those with a lower profile to create a modern look to your home. Number 5, power washing your exterior. Power washing your exterior patio, driveways, and sidewalks will seriously make your home look brand new. Most of the time, you don't even realize how dirty things get because they happen gradually. Easy, cheap, and effective. You don't always have to go big. If you need help with any of these small upgrades, shoot me a message and I'll personally connect you with someone I do business with. I'm Charleston Mills with the Chatman Group. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.